Welcome to JayzTwoCents exclusive insider coverage of CES 2014. Our trip this year is brought to you by Aqua Tuning, your global source for PC modding and cooling components, and by Sennheiser, the pursuit of perfect sound, and of course, by generous viewers like you.
Okay guys, now we've talked about headsets in the past, and headsets are one of those things where most people are going to have that one that they like. And a question that's commonly asked about gaming headsets is 5.1 or 5.1 simulated versus true 5.1. But what we're looking at right here are a couple of true 5.1 headphones here from ROCCAT. Now, these are called the Kave XTDs. This is the digital version and this is the analog. Now, the digital, as you can see right here, has what looks like a mixer, but it's not. It's actually very unique in a couple of ways. You have your volume control on here, as you would expect, but this also has Bluetooth capability. Now, with the Bluetooth capability, let's say you're gaming and you got a phone call or something on your cell phone, and you're in a raid or something, and you tell your raid, "Hey, hold on, I got a phone call," and it's noisy because you're taking your headphones off and everyone's waiting for you. You could simply push this little phone button right here if you have this synced to your phone, and the moment you push that, your gaming headset now becomes your integrated headphone device for your smartphone or any Bluetooth capable phone. Of course, you have your mute switch on here, but what's also really interesting is even though this is a USB interface, you do have 5.1 analog here on the back. So you could use this as a pass-through for your PC as well as a 5.1 speaker set. So let's say you want to switch back and forth between your nice 5.1 receiver or your headphones, depending on, if you want to do quiet gaming in the evening so you don't wake up your kids, which I deal with on a regular basis, you could switch to the headphones. But if it's the daytime and you don't feel like blaring out your neighbors, you could switch to your receiver all through the one interface and not have to be switching around cables. Now, one thing that we have over here is the analog version. Some people just don't want to use a USB interface, or maybe they just prefer analog. And that's what we have right here. It's essentially the same thing as the digital, but it is analog, and it has the nice, what did you guys call this? The
netted cloth.
Netted cloth. Yeah. Now it breathes. It's very comfortable. The netted cloth doesn't make me feel itchy. I mean, some headphones have a kind of a really fibrous cloth, which makes me feel itchy over time. Longevity of wearing these seem very, very comfortable, but maybe you guys have ever, I guarantee you guys have all seen headphones that break at the joints. I'm going to let Tim demonstrate something here that makes these really unique when it comes to their durability, if you wouldn't mind.
You just want to destroy it, or you not want to destroy it?
I don't want to be the one that breaks it,
yeah,
but you wouldn't do this if you weren't confident.
Comfort and durability is something that we've been working on this headset. So, and if you look at this, I mean, nobody would usually do this with the headset, but just to show you how durable and how stable it is.
I have 4 headsets in my office. I wouldn't dare do this with any of them.
Yeah, so give it a try.
Yeah, I mean, I have a 4-year-old. You guys know that. You guys have seen her on the channel before, and she likes to wear my headphones, and she likes to take them off by grabbing one ear and kind of like yanking it off her head, and that terrifies me. And all of their headphones and headsets feature that same technology. Now, these aren't released yet. These are an item in works right now, right? This is a stereo 2.1 version of the headphones that you're looking at over there. They feature the ROCCAT blue cable, real stylish, same thing with the logo on the side there. And of course, we also have a flat cabled in-ear headphones over here for your smartphone or Apple, Android, whatever it is. But guys, ROCCAT is a company that you guys specifically asked that I cover. Ironically, you guys contacted me just before CES, and we made sure that we could fit it in. German engineering and German engineering at its best. I don't think it can get a whole lot better than this. Now, hopefully, we can maybe get a review sample of one of these in the future so that we can really put it to the test and see if it's a Jay's buy. But so far, I really like what I'm seeing here from ROCCAT at CES 2014. Tim, thank you for giving us the tour of your products.
For being here.
They're very exciting. I can't wait to see. Looks like we're finally seeing some innovation here when it comes to headphones. Guys, as always, I will see you in my next video. Make sure you're following us on Twitter for all of our CES 2014 coverage, and I'll see you next time.